How to delete a Netflix profile or how to delete profile on Netflix. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Visnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Netflix profile. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your Netflix profile, you want to first open up Netflix, and then here you want to head into any one of the profiles now. Or if you are here on this page, now what you can do is you can simply tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen, and once you do so, you should be able to see the manage profiles option. You want to head into the manage profiles option. Now simply tap on the particular profile that you wish to delete. Now here you can see various profiles. Suppose you want to delete the number 5 profile. Here you want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, there at the bottom you'll be able to find the delete profile option. So this way you can delete your profile. The other way is you can simply go ahead and log into one of your profiles. Once you log in there, what you want to do is now you want to tap on my Netflix option at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then tap on manage profiles, and you'll get to the similar options. Again, tap on the particular pencil icon of the profile that you wish to delete, and then at the bottom you'll get delete profile option. So this way you can delete profile on Netflix. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.